TheSmartLocal.com.
Okay. Moment of truth. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Oh my god! We did it!
Hi guys!
Hello!
What do you study in university?
I studied marketing. What about you?
I was in mechanical engineering.
Wow.
But I think we're both here because
We did not complete it.
yeah, we study uni, but actually we had more fun in uni than studying. Thank you.
No, I did not have fun also.
Your one was pure suffering.
Yes.
So, how was your university experience?
So from a full-time perspective, the uni experience was great. The studying is the reason why I'm here.
I took part-time degree because I did not know what to do after my diploma. But at the same time, I need money. So I was working full-time, studying part-time. And then because it's part-time degree, right, I did not get to experience...
No uni life, right?
No uni life. So you enjoyed school life, but there's
Right.
nothing for me to enjoy. After work, just like study. I don't even make friends. I only have one friend from uni.
Wow.
So, why didn't you complete your degree?
I came to a point where I felt like it was way too painful. Also, I know what I want already in terms of career and my future.
Yeah.
And I know this degree that I'm going for, which is marketing, is not going to help me.
Yeah.
Because that's not where I'm going towards.
For me, it was more related to like sort of discovering what I didn't enjoy. Because I think for me, going through the JC then uni kind of path, right? You're very blind. People just tell you do what you do because your entire school life, you don't necessarily think for yourself. Or rather, that was me when I was young. As a result, I discovered that it was not for me. I had a big wake-up call. And then after, I was like, let me stop wasting my parents' money.
In today's episode, we are going to send you guys back to school to experience uni life again.
Study what?
Like go do CCA, that one, okay. Eat canteen, subsidized food, okay.
But do statistics again. No. Do business law again. Good morning everybody, I am in school. I'm currently waiting for my class to start. It's drawing related, it's character design. When they say character design, I feel like I'm gonna be drawing maybe game characters or like anime characters, cartoon characters, that sort of level. And my current skills level when it comes to drawing, stickman.
Okay, so I'm finally here at school and I'm quite excited. We're gonna go and attend class now. I stress, I want coffee. Is there coffee here? Is it started already? Sian, now I feel like it's inappropriate for me to be vlogging, but okay. I'm just gonna go in.
I'm gonna try to get into the swing of it. There's a lot of youth here. Wow, make me stressed.
Okay, so our lecturer just now, right, just mentioned that we needed to have a few aspects in game making. So we need to have like dynamics, we need to have mechanics, we need to have less random chance, and that's why our first sort of like project that we're going to try to work together as a group, right, is to try to redesign Snakes and Ladders so it's less chance-based. Honestly, right, I have no background. All these words are first time here, but I'm going to try my best to work on this assignment and not be a burden because like if there's only one thing I have in this game design processes course is that I love board games.
How do y'all usually like come up with an idea like this?
It's really just the worst idea possible, just draw that.
Okay, I will try my best to contribute.
Alright, so pick your animal and then pick the job.
Whoa, it's something lah, Ah. 有没有 This is the head. This is the body. Yeah.
So I try to omit
I think I
round,
got the shape.
so everything sharp and his nose also. How? Are you able to?
Yeah. Can you tell what am I trying to draw?
Is it a fox?
Yes! Oh my gosh, you can tell! On the right track?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. Copy, paste. I did it. Then after that, flip horizontal. Oh my god. I came to ask Faith some question, but then right, do you draw this within this session only?
Yes, within this session.
I'm having problem with the nose. Because when I draw the nose, right, it looks like a human nose, I feel.
What animal are you going for?
Oh no, you can't tell.
It is missing some features, so I can't tell at the moment. Here we have our guiding lines, right? So this will be the width of our nose. And here's the middle line, then nostril.
Okay, I'm gonna try to draw the other side.
I think one of the teachers here, he uses like math and like sort of Fibonacci circle and all that. Because if you look like your Google logo, right, it's all circles.
And there's math involved in those also.
So I'm done with my game design processes class, right? And we're heading to our next class now. And honestly, I think the class was super fun. Very nerdy. Got like the board game. They were talking about all the design meticulous parts, which is like, you cannot have one pixel off. And then you think of how you want to design your cards or your boxes. And I always imagine myself, right, doing these kind of courses, but I never really had a chance to because I was in engineering. I hope the next class will be as good as well.
Okay, so I just ended my character design class. I really cannot draw. I'm so thankful towards Faith because like, she really taught me and helped me a lot. And after speaking to her, then I realized that character design and this kind of like game design, right, it's not just about drawing. There's actually a lot of like math and science involved. So anyway, I am on my way to the next class because it's starting soon. Oh my god, the next one is human anatomy, I never studied biology. How?
Alright, so I'll try some past games that our seniors did. I played this game last night at 2 AM because it was so fun.
Hello and welcome to Momo Town. My name is Joe. Click to continue. Okay, click. Now I'm trapped. Have you created any games?
Oh yeah, so every sem we always have a group project. So
Okay.
last sem, let me
Time for you
show
to
you.
kick ass. I'm trying to hit the boss with the... Oh my god, I feel like I'm not doing well. Wow. Why can I this one? Oh my god. I can guess. Why can like this? What the heck? Is it meant to be unbeatable?
No, it's not.
Then why they can cross into Tell me what's going on!
Okay, I'll show you.
Okay. So the red boxes will indicate where the attack is coming?
Yeah. So you can dodge.
He's destroying the wizard that destroyed me, but now actually suddenly he's no longer destroying the wizard, they're quite close. This evil wizard is pretty strong, can potentially defeat his creator. Okay, I spoke too soon. Creator.
Yes!
Anybody know what bone this is? Anybody? Tibia, yes, this is the tibia. Okay, main function of tibia is to locate furniture in the middle of the night.
So we just finished going through the first part of worksheet A1. Basically, the lecturer went through how to draw the human structure. And I have to say, I think I followed quite well. Look, not bad. I'm gonna ask my classmates what they think of my work. Basically, they're sitting opposite me. I just want to ask you all, what do you all think? This is my first time drawing.
First time is pretty good.
Pretty good? Can I see yours? Oh my!
Okay guys, so I am done with my 2 classes for today. Coming back to school after 10 years, really a little bit overwhelming, right? I thought it was not too bad. Now I'm hungry, gonna go eat lunch, and I wonder how Sue is doing with her classes.
Okay, so my class has ended. What I learned today is just learning about the basics and everything. But towards the later part of this module, they will actually have to create sculptures. It's quite amazing. I thought we'll be doing this today, but then I realized actually cannot because how can I do this? Impossible. So we are back in school together today.
Yes, today I got my classmate.
Yes, very glad I know somebody today.
Yeah, very good.
Today we are doing engineering, right?
Yeah.
Oh man.
I scared already, so I stress eating now.
We are on our way to class now because we are done eating.
Yeah.
John is holding it
Must
because...
like that lah. Must like that.
Can you hold like
If I
normal
hold
level?
normal, right, then you can't like that.
Oh my god, actually I'm quite excited.
I am very excited
I purposely dressed like that today.
because it's giving engineer.
And it's giving student. Now I feel full and awake. I believe I can sit through the don't know how many hours of lesson later.
Okay. I am feeling full, but not necessarily awake, but excited lah, regardless.
Yes.
Because like I want to see what they're gonna teach us.
It's a visual display of...
Guys, John is stressing me out.
No, but it's not measuring anything.
The class haven't started because we are like setting up, right? We have not learned a single thing and he is touching the buttons.
No, I know pen and zoom. At the end of the day, these are your machine.
Okay, so the professor just went through some theory lessons for us to even know what we are doing, what is V and everything. And he also went through a safety briefing as well as go through what all these equipments are for and what we're supposed to do with it. And then now we are going into the actual lab practical portion. I'm just looking at this paper now. It's a lot of things. I don't know where to start. So I'm just gonna work with John and the students here who are actual experts.
Okay, I'm going to just try. I did the first WikiHow step, which is don't get overwhelmed.
Okay.
Then I read, right? So like, question and demo number 1. Operation of DC power supply. Set channel 1 output to voltage SV5. You know I got do that spaceship.
How young are you? You look damn young. 19.
No, I'm actually 26 this year.
Congratulations, you look very young.
Hey, thank you.
Can't tell. Are these the type of projects that you all have to do?
So this is more electrical and electronics. One of the main highlights of our course so far was actually building and programming an autonomous robot to go through a maze.
When I did my diploma, we also had to build things. I built a dustbin.
So if all goes well, this LED will light up.
Yeah.
Okay. My better light up.
有没有？
有 light up 吗？ My turn. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god! We did it! Look. Wow. We just ended our class for today. I went in thinking that it might be too much theory and too difficult for me to even catch up. But turns out it's enjoyable, it's fun. I really like the hands-on part of it. And I feel like the theory portion, right, it was needed in order for me to do the hands-on part. And the best part is I thought I can only complete up to max page 3 of the worksheet.
But look at us,
Look
ladies
at
and
us.
gentlemen. This is Charmaine's seal. Go all the way to the last page.
Page
okay?
7. Not just me, John, please show yours.
Hey, I also still do extra calculation and calculate out.
I am so glad it turned out way better and way more fun than I thought it would be.
Yes.
So how was it like experiencing uni life again?
Because I did game design processes, software engineering, and then like the last one I called the lab together, right? Then very fun The game design processes, after ideating, we play board games, yeah?
Board game?
Yeah, we play card game, we play like those telepathy kind.
For what? How is it related?
To help you feel a well-designed commercial game is what. Then after that, right, the software engineering one, right, we did some programming. I managed to make the stick, right, then I make it 45.
It's not bad.
Not bad, yeah. Then after that, we make then make it spin, go out.
I did enjoy my art classes, but I just think I don't have the talent for it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but what I enjoyed was seeing how passionate my classmates are. And the classmate that I talked to, right, she said her dream, right, is if she can get the opportunity to work on Legend of Zelda, she'll be so happy.
I love Legend of Zelda!
Yeah, and she said, right, that was what made her want to get into this.
What was your favorite lesson?
Wow, I think my favorite is digital electronics because of the people and because you were there. I feel like it really makes it more fun. I went in expecting not being able to do anything much, but when I managed to do it, when the light bulb light up and when I can press the switch, right, then the light bulb will like move according to what I press. Wow, that feeling damn shook.
Out of these 3, very difficult to choose my favorite. Because I like all. But okay, I think I will choose one. And that would be the game design processes. Oh, I nerd ma. Then I like to see all the board game. Then I see like all the different board games that the prof, right, he bring there, let the student try different games. I was like,
How was the courses different from the one you studied previously?
Whoa, so damn different. Okay.
What the heck? I'm mechanical engineering. Everything I do is different.
I do marketing.
Yeah.
It's completely different. There's no hands-on for marketing. It's just theory. Memorize. Whereas going to DigiPen, it was very hands-on, very collaborative and interactive. But that's also because what we studied is completely different. So not saying that what we studied isn't good.
Yeah.
It's just not in tune to what we like. I think because we are more creative people and going to DigiPen and the classes that we went for are very creative. That's why we enjoy that a lot.
University admissions for DigiPen Singapore are open for applications. Check out the link in the description box below to find out more.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, ring the notification bell and watch our other videos over there. Bye!
Bye-bye!
Dun, 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 dun. Right, is that the school bell?
Dun, 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 dun.